Huawei wants the world to take notice. Its hardware has been steadily improving over the past year. From the Ascend Mate 2 to the attractive Huawei watch, over which we fawned at the beginning of 2015. The P8, the Ascend brand name, has been retired. Here is the company's fashionable flagship smartphone. Huawei is obviously confident that this phone is something special. However, hardware has never been Huawei's downfall. It's software. For the P8 to take on the latest phones from Samsung and LG, both of which have learned restraint when it comes to modifying Android, Huawei needs to improve the user experience. Additionally, the phone's performance should be, at the very least, equal to the best out there. But the unfamiliar Kirin chip of Huawei's own design is inside. We've been living with the P8 since its announcement, keen to see if it represents the very best Huawei can offer, or if the old niggling problems remain hidden behind a swish body. The body is, indeed, very attractive. Huawei cleverly disguised the already thin screen bezels with black edging, giving the P8 an ultra-modern and super clean look from the front. The screen appears to sit between two white sections at the top and bottom. At the top, there is the speaker, ambient light sensor, and the front camera, while at the bottom there's nothing at all. Just glancing at the phone makes you imagine that's where the Android keys are hidden. But they are on the screen itself. It's effectively dead space, serving only as a place to grip the device. The phone is made from cool aluminum, and it's impossible to tell where the intricately chamfered side panels end and the rear panel begins. The back is completely flat, and the champagne aluminum on our review model has a gorgeous, subtle finish that catches the light beautifully. Examine it closely, and more details emerge, such as a tiny chrome ring around the flash unit. The P8 is a beauty. It's 6.4 millimeters thin, only 144 grams, and is a joy to hold. Previous P-series phones have been good-looking, but the P8 takes Huawei's definition of premium to the next level. There is one thing that detracts from the overall look, and that's the plastic panel that contains the camera lens and flash unit on the back. It runs from one side to the other along the